Definitely. He's going about. He was up. He was just. I was just about to bring the map back up because he was pushing 80 miles an hour here on that dirt road, and in any kind of swerving, you don't. No matter how good of a vehicle that is, 80 miles an hour on a dirt road, you start getting a little swervy. It's going to end badly, and that's maybe that's going to be the best outcome, and hopefully he gets stuck, and then law enforcement just can surround him, and maybe this guy will just go into custody. But right now, I can tell you we're going about 60 miles an hour out here on this dirt road, 140th, and it looks, actually just kind of just looking out the window, it looks as though we're going back south again. So we're heading back towards, away from Tehachapi, let's just say it like that. So right now, he's still moving along, good clip, just touching into 70 miles an hour. Officers know where he is. That's a big plus. Roads are getting better. So that means speeds might increase as well. So we're going to definitely keep an eye on this as he's making his way back onto a paved road out there. And California Highway Patrol, they are on this. But how they're going to bring this thing to an end right now, that's a big question, isn't it? Back to dirt. Yeah. Well, I got to tell you, I was blessed to be inside one of those newer vehicles, and there's a lot of tech inside that car. I got to tell you that there's actually voice commands and a bunch of stuff, and I really kind of wonder if they actually wish if they did, they probably would have used it already, a way to disable that vehicle. Where it is, I'm sure they know that. They definitely know. Another officer at this intersection, maybe maybe they put out some spike strips. Maybe, yeah, he's a little late tossing him out there. So he's just going to drive off into the dirt, back to that four-wheel and stuff. And every time he does that, I'm thinking this is where he's going to get that thing stuck. But he's been lucky every time. A little bit of a dip right there, and that's it. That's it right there. And there you go, officers. Look at that. Look at that. Right out of the car and onto the ground. That's it. Yes. Like I said, yep. Yeah, he clearly has been in that position before. So out of the car, on the ground, spread eagle, one officer. I'm sure they're going to have to wait at least for another officer to make their way over there. There they are. And, of course, this is an armed suspect, so they're going to be very careful about taking him into custody. But, it might not have been that spectacular ending that some people at home, and God bless them all for wanting to see it, but definitely the ending we wanted to see. This guy going into custody, the vehicle just disabled, not wrecked, and definitely nobody else injured in this wild pursuit up here in the Antelope Valley. That would be. That would be. So. Yeah. For the record books, for sure. Woo! Oh, those Duke boys. All right, Simon Desi, you want a license plate? Huh? Okay. Do you want us to go back by in that area and look for this, help the search? Rosemont Boulevard and 140th. Rosemont Boulevard and 140th. I think you should send Mojo. Oh, it wasn't exclusive? Mike. All right. Wasn't as exclusive? 4 was here? Oh, really? So everybody got the carjacking and all that stuff? All right. I'm sorry, Mike. I mean, Mark. Mark, did you just call us? I'm sorry. Kern County Sheriff's. Wow. For the woman? Let's go with them. Excellent. We'll do that. What? The really? Yeah. Are you sure this is the spot? Well, where'd the sheriff's helicopter go? Because they're... All right, let me see. Dude, it's all good, man. Hang on. All right, I got cop car. I got it. I see it out the window. It's right, yeah, it's right there. And there's the truck. So they don't have her in custody. Where the heck did she go? All right, we might have to drop way down to get the license plate on that pickup truck. And I would